yeah, this problem, they gave you a picture to start with, but you needed to label the other angles and do like Bill was saying, of the two they gave you, find the third one and do some law signs. Find the distance between the two canyon rims. How do you find distance between things? Looking for a what? Well, like, to measure distance, like, if I needed to go to where Gianna's sitting, would I walk to the back of the room around and up, or would I go straight there? And if I measure my height, can I measure to the corner of the room and be like, hey, I'm 8'10"? Woo, WNBA, here I come.
You are 8'10".
I am all 5'2" of me. So to measure height, what kind of angle do you need?
A 90.
A 90-degree angle. So they're asking you to find that height. Any idea how I find that height? First of all, I'm gonna pull a triangle out.
Oh, you do 1/2, so then you do 56 for like two of the sides, and then side C. So
Okay, hold on. What length did we just find? Between A and C, so across from the 53. Across from, right? Across from 53 was 54.6.
yeah.
And I want to find
So yeah, 54. 1/2 54 times 56, and then.
why 1/2? And I'm not doing area.
Oh wait, crap.
Okay?
Are we using the law? Wait, this one's law.
And just think trig.
Yeah.
Look at the damn picture.
54.6 equals sine of 55 over c.
Sine of the angle equals h over 54.6. Like, this is, like, you would have been able to answer this a month ago. But now that we just did these other things, you're looking on the sheet here. Well, the area is, I didn't ask area. I can just use regular old right triangle trig. No?
Yeah.
But it's hard to see because it's hidden in all that other stuff and we made you use law signs and things.
It's 51.9.
Yes, it's 51.9. All right. So they can get tricky. Like word problems, distances between the lighthouses. If you were given two angles, you can find the third one, right? Add up to 180 and subtract. Then sine of the angle over the side across equals sine of the angle over the side across. We have all the pieces, right?
Sure.
Okay, I don't really want to talk at you today. I'd like you guys to take 20 minutes to work on this worksheet with your partner, and Genevieve and I can come around and help you out, but I want you to do the work on your own. I don't want to stop and put things up here. So you guys could help each other out. If somebody wants to put a problem up, by all means, please do. We'll work on the worksheet. Yes, sir.
Yeah, no.
So what does that mean if side is, or is that a side or an angle?
That's the cosine, right?
I just converted it to C squared.
So is this C that's 0, is it a side or is it an angle?
It's an angle.
Okay.
So,
Right, so what does that mean? How many triangles do you get?
none of this, like the homework
Because
last
look
time.
at it. Four, 7, 11.
Side.
Not like a punch.
Roll this.
So right.
Wait, so oh, okay, that
Yeah, I'm a little confused. I think what we can actually put like before here and then we'll have to subtract and then just put 4. Yeah, that's because C is 4.
How does it not 0?
A,
It's
7,
right.
11,
Oh, if it has 0.
11 is greater. Yeah, so it's 0.
How do I, so I multiply this by 7, just did I write this out right or no? Oh wait, so it's multiplied by 7.
Yeah, that's upside down.
So, but how would I just write 7 times sine of 11?
So that's what you would type in, 7 times sine 81 divided by 11. You can do 7 divided by 11, 9 times 81, like, all that stuff is all good.
Wait, how do we know, which one do you think is C?
That's your pick.
It
Like-
doesn't matter.
Well,
So I can also type in.
angle C is across from 4.
Yeah, but I know it, when it's like 8 or something.
Oh, well, you get to choose, like, you don't know any of the angles, so pick in one of them. If you-
So it's also like this.
Mhm.
Yeah.
What's wrong? I got 0 for the first one.
Do this.
And I took in all this and I got 1 was good.
No, your answer is right. What is that?
It's trying to be possible.
Just think about it. 4 and 7,
No,
it's like that.
just like that.
Bigger than
You work out how many triangles.
what's that? What does that mean for many triangles? So the angle is 0.
No possible.
Is this correct? Is this function?
I think so. And,
Yeah.
well, it's not cosine. We're trying to figure out some angle you don't know.
This cosine is
So the easiest thing to do is to have a kind of some angle you don't know.
Oh, so like.
Yeah, and then.
Do the math. Number do you get out of that?
Are they ready? One, so cannot make any trials, 1 to,
Yes, for the first one, either get a 0 or a 1, depends on which side you chose. And that means the sides are like this. But look at it. 4,
I just did it,
7.
sine 81 over 11.
So the two sides that you had, it's flat like a pan. That's exactly. So see when it right.
I'm doing
Yes, yes, you're right. Yep.
Triangle is not like this. It's
I
like
got
this.
this.
This one is
I
11.
think we know.
So
What is
4 plus
cosine?
7 is equal to 11.
And
Sine should be right.
Oh, it's
More
like-
than
do I have to do the inverse?
What is, what angle makes cosine
I
1?
don't get a half from this, we can get a
Cosine.
39.
like
What is cosine? Cosine's next on your right.
7, right?
Which one?
So
That
what
one
happens when
is
you have a triangle that has an angle of
And
It's a triangle.
This one's 4 long,
this can be 4.
that one's 7 long,
Yeah.
and that one's 11 long.
This can't be triangle at all.
Seven plus 4.
This one's 0
It's
degrees, this one's 0 degrees,
Which
No,
is
it's
and if you
11.
did it differently,
7 plus 4.
that one's on your page, so does that make a difference?
science.
I like it. No triangle. No,
7 plus 4 is 11.
Oh, so. Hey, yeah, it makes sense.
so you're,
Seven plus-
so you did it right,
And then you didn't make
and
it.
calculation, you get no triangle.
Oh. I'm just doing it. Yeah, I'm not understanding at all.
Okay, what are you choosing to do?
Yeah, 0 triangles.
What length? The 11. So here's your third
Take
side.
out the question.
So we said has to be bigger than
Zero
the
triangle.
other.
It didn't make sense.
What is the difference? 7 minus 4 is 3. Is 11 bigger than 3? But it has to be smaller, strictly smaller than the sum. What is the sum?
150 plus
Yeah, 11.
150 plus 24.
It's not smaller than it's exact.
Wait, how did you get 0?
Oh, wait, so probably.
Yeah.
7 plus 4 equals 11.
I just didn't have it in there. That's
7 plus 4 equals 11.
Everybody
It's not a triangle.
Bro, you told me to do lower cosine.
The chess! Yeah. She's telling us for the first question.
Okay, makes sense, makes sense.
So you did this one. You
So
got
that
that.
one, since you found that one, and then the
So you get to hand.
because that one was there. So you don't yeah.
So should I say 0 triangle?
Yes,
Adam,
right?
Adam, I'm cooking.
Huh?
I'm cooking.
Really? Oh, you're cooking?
See you.
Okay. So this one.
This one I have to
An
actually
angle of 2 sides.
do math.
So
So
a
it's
big triangle.
gonna be like this, like, is it a triangle?
Wait, what are we looking for? I'm confused.
Side of angle, side off, side of angle, side across. I don't know where you find angle to. This is the type. So I don't know where 5.1 comes from. These are different where I don't put sine of one over 11 equals sine of. An angle, you put an angle. If you add the short sides together, I would multiply by 7 on both sides, right? So add the short side 7 on one. 7 or 6.
Oh, add short
You need to
sides.
multiply by 7 on both sides. So multiply by 7 on both sides, 7 and that's 17. Well, you had to multiply this side, it's still there. Okay. It doesn't cancel with something else.
What's that?
Okay. That's 7 times, let's calculate 7 times sine.
Look at this calculator.
It only works in this one.
Where's that back?
So
It didn't like
now
even
the
give me
sine is that.
What is
the answer should be here.
You do like the.
It's useless.
Like,
So that thing
because
is
I'm just so
30.
confused which angle you're supposed to use to like. You know,
So here's a.
Oh, it's okay.
You had to type all that back in. Yes. Second.
Am I right about this one?
Second. And then it says A and that's what it is. Sorry, so 38.
Oh, I just, this is what I think, guys.
Let's do 180
Three
minus
sides, 12.
With the triangle also, can I have 141 degrees and an 81 degree angle? at the
That would
same
be
time?
possible.
No. Can I have the 30, you did this 39 degree
Sine?
angle? And then
Love science for that?
So
There you go.
that's,
Yeah, no, that makes sense, so.
this is tested to see if there is. Could it
I
have
just,
been
I just need to write it out.
It's fine.
Yeah.
141 and 81 degrees. This is the one side.
Did we do that ambiguous thing?
This one is just one side. 81 is. Oh, that's good.
Yeah.
8 times and 39. 39 was the angle that you calculated. Keywords 39. Do you have an error?
Where?
Oh, we did it. Like the other one.
So you have this.
So the one that we
Right.
calculated.
So the one that you calculated is the one that you switched.
And then
Calculator. Calculator.
And that one up.
Sorry, next.
Actually, it's the one that we got. Yeah, so we did that one.
I don't have the calculation, but 4/3 not 4. You can take out the 3. So you get that.
And 162 and 24.
So that's not more.
You have enough degrees to go in
It's
the
You like sine 63 times 12.
That one,
Yeah.
only had 12 Bernard's.
I know, but just use left there.
And 81.
And anyways, if you did what you were saying.
Yeah, I was asking, like, I was just checking.
Okay, so if you did what you did anyway, right? So sine 63,
Is a real number.
63 sine, alright?
Yeah.
Times
Sorry,
12.
what else was there?
3
Hi, can you spell the
times
question?
12
Yeah.
Okay,
divided
I
by.
wasn't able to answer you.
Okay.
Okay.
And then you have to do sine inverse to get sine.
Right, and that is real. Okay.
I mean, that's like a
Sorry, I just need to.
Seven sine 24 over 6. But I don't
No, you can. Yeah. No, I'm not changing the answer. Go solve for it, but I don't want you to. Yep, this is fine.
Everybody knows the calculator.
Oh, wait, Miss Pascal,
Yep.
I have a question.
Sorry,
So where'd you get 28? Okay, so you did log sines, you got the angle. T was 28. Okay, so you got 152, and then you subtracted another 24.
You can borrow the calculator.
Oh, I just subtracted it doesn't matter. And then you get another angle.
Sorry, next
That
question.
was right.
Oh, Michael, where'd you go?
That angle
There you
still
go.
works. It's
So it'll be 2 triangles.
For the,
So it could be 2
or
triangles.
no, it's not.
Are they-
I don't know how to
How
find
much do you work with me? Yeah.
I'm gonna ask her.
Dan, can you work with Gianna?
Does this look right?
I don't know.
Yeah, that was it.
I don't know. Ask.
alright, so I got this one, 37, and 14 is the information you get, right? Do log signs to get 90. And then 180 minus 90 can also create a second triangle with 2 triangles. Or is it?
I see them as the same 90 degree.
Okay, oh, okay, yeah, that makes sense. So it's just
So
one triangle.
I would call it just one triangle. Like your textbook does that.
But like, so like,
Did you guys compare?
oh, he's not done yet.
Well,
Right.
I asked him if
for
he could
this
ask any
second,
questions.
Well,
He just
so-
wanted us.
So, you have things labeled the way he's got them.
Yeah, you gotta label everything first. So like, you know the sign, wall sign, right?
yeah, this one.
Hey, Monica, can you show the work that you did for number 2?
Oh, wait.
Milea, do you have number 2?
Okay, so
Yeah, I
this
do.
Can you put that on?
I don't know if I'm right.
You're given 7, 6, 24. R and R, right? So you have 24 written down, you have 6 across from it, and then you have 7 on the other side. Okay? Yeah, you got that? Then you do 24 sine, so you're doing your calculus. 24 sine times 7
So we,
equals 2.847, right? That's right.
Yeah.
And then divided by 6. So you got 0.47. And then you do sine inverse to that.
When is sine bigger than 1? But, so that's not gonna happen.
So you get 28.32. Oh, maybe I did it wrong.
I don't believe I got that.
You did not?
No, I'm talking about this.
Alright. 28 plus 48
For number 2, how many triangles do we get?
One. Oh, number 2?
Well, wait, number 4 or 2?
Yeah, 2.
Yeah. For number 2, it's 2 triangles.
God, when.
Yeah, this one's.
So top left, how many answers? How
Do you
many
know how to find
triangles?
2 triangles, or do you want?
Top left, 0.
Oh, 0, 0. 28, 152, and 152 plus
So triangle dog, how
20
many
is
triangles?
still under 180. So, yeah, exactly.
Triangle win, how many triangles? I heard one. Triangle duh, how many triangles?
0, or that, or 1.
Somebody says one.
Says that there is.
And
Number 3 is
triangle tri, TRI, says 2.
Wait.
Triangle
that's
cat.
1/2, that's the area.
0.
Triangle cat,
So, 18.
okay. Alvin, any agreement or disagreement with any of these? The class said
So
0 for number 1 and number 3,
14.
and they said
So this is what cosine.
this entire side is 1 triangle, and they said this is 2
A
triangles.
squared, B squared. So do your
Number
calculation.
5 on the board.
Okay, first of all, do you guys agree with these answers or not?
18
Like,
is
I'm not saying it.
Number
18.
Number 5, you don't, okay.
Yeah, this is
Okay, what do you,
Because for number 5, we
plus
did
12
18
squared.
sine 1/4,
Right, and keep going to the calculator, now minus
1.1.
2
right.
times
first of all,
18
can you have 2 bigger than 90-degree angles in one triangle?
No.
No, so this is not going to make 2.
times
It might not even make 1, but it's not going to make 2. This is 114,
cosine.
and the side across from angle W is 18, side across from angle I is 12.
So we can now you can do
So, what are you saying we should do? Log cosines, okay? So, n squared equals side squared plus side squared minus 2 times side
4.
times side
There you go.
cosine of the angle.
So 35.4 is angle C. 4.
So straight up just typing
Across.
18 squared
Sorry,
plus
it's not
12
angle, it's the
squared
other side.
minus 2 times
So
12
this side.
times 18 times cosine. Oops, did I click?
So now we have that. You can do all sides.
I got the wrong angle, but I cosine
So
114.
you can do 114.
You guys didn't stop me.
I think I maybe.
That's n squared, so I need to square root that.
18.
There's only one triangle. Back to your geometry days, Will. Geometry days. Proving triangles congruent. If you have 3 sides of a triangle, does the other triangle with those same exact 3 sides have to be the same triangle? Side, 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 yes. As same as side, angle, side.
I was thinking.
Yay for geometry that was online. No, you guys had other one, never mind.
You get 40.
Calculus had geometry online. They're not very good at it. So, number 5 is one triangle. Miliel did the work for number 2. Are you guys confused by this being 2 angles?
No.
So, guys, right here, he did sine inverse and got 28 degrees. And then he said, well, 180 minus that, or it could have been this angle. 151 plus 24, are there enough degrees to go into that third angle? There is. So it's 2 triangles. He didn't have space to show all that thought process, but you guys get what he's doing.
You're right.
When you do sine inverse, check to say,
26.
does the supplement work? What does supplement mean?
Makes
I don't
180.
know what it is, 26.
Supplement means
19.
adds up to 180. This trig complementary, that's that. Supplementary makes 180, right?
63, 9, 12.
Do we need to see the work for any of the other 6 on the front page? Okay, keep going. Keep going through, see, voice out. So you just did the thing. Oh, you're at it. Okay, Your test was put down on the desk somewhere. There's a review packet on the little roll table behind William over there. What up? You're done? You guys were, number,
So, it's only one, so it's just not.
on the back page, sorry, what up? Can you guys change this one on the back of the first page? In number 10, there's two different triangles, so you have to find the area twice. So, I only want to see that you can do it once. Find the area for number 9,
Okay.
not 10.
Remember.
Yes, sir.
Wow, so many messages.
No, really, sorry. But these, like, if you mean this fraction plus this fraction, you can't have that bar. If you mean this bar to be under everything down there, this denominator is now sine squared times whatever that is, squared, I don't know. Sine times another sine, cosine times another cosine. It is not what you intended it to be. This is not valid. Because that's like saying, and that's what you meant? That's 3/10 plus 2/10 is 5/10. Use this. And now, that is implied to be another multiply. That's 5/7. What you have written here. Sorry, but we don't do mathematics.
It's okay, it's 16.
The 90s, yeah, I would say it's all the angles and reds.
Yeah, but then you inverse it, since it's the, like, it's giving you the sine of that angle, not the actual angle. So you sine inverse and the one is 90.
Why don't we just round up to 9.5?
Okay.
Yes.
You're making us wait, Mr.
Let's count.
So it's asking you to round
Round to the nearest
size to 3
1,000.
Okay.
You're making us round to the nearest 1,000.
Okay, the reason, those of you, someone's gonna end up there. Thousandths is 3 decimal places. The AP exam, I cannot stress enough. You need to round to 3 decimal places. You can keep more, but you may not keep less. On the AP exam, if you left your answer like 0.89 instead of 0.891, they do not give you the point. And it's really hard fighting for every stinking point. So some of you in science or whatever, math, I don't know, some of you might head that way. They want 3 decimals of accuracy. Significant figures be damned. How many people? 0.891, thank you very much. That doesn't make any sense, but they don't care. Because it's math, not science. You can have 0.891 people.
I said, you're right.
Nope, that's a science thing, like, seriously,
Like, that was the.
they don't care about
added together,
significant
so I did that.
Oh.
in calculus test, like, I don't care, I want this many decimals. So William, just starting the indoctrination now.
On the front?
The quote of the day has been the same for 2 days.
Okay, what should be my quote?
It's an error.
What's a good cough?
That one. Cause it shouldn't be an A, because this one you don't inverse. So maybe it like, I did it on. Yeah.
get it? So, you know, oak trees, they're big, huge, strong ones. And you know, we call crazy people nuts. You're nuts, so you're crazy. So even the mighty oak was just some nut that held its ground. So that the little nut, it's like, no, I'm going to grow and make roots and I'm going to get big and I'm going to get strong. And I'm not a nut anymore. I'm a big old oak tree.
That one you can't just do it because you
It goes with several civil rights movements.
look.
Yeah.
And if you have a better one tomorrow, let me know. I'll put it up. I used to have a box and have people.
I used to have a book come back.
I have a lot of sources, but I used to have a box in the class for students to put their own requests in. Yep.
For next week, you know, perhaps Thursday, Friday next week.
Probably not. Where are you gonna be?
I'd like it to be there.
Cool.
So I'll be there Thursday. My dad, he like works at a small firm, and then he's
He's like an NRL or something.
he's the creative director. He's like, I don't know. And then they're doing a museum on that like up there, and he's like, they're about to like go out to sea, so he's like overseeing it.
Cosines.
Oh,
That's a really good reason to not
Yeah.
be here. Versus, you know, I have COVID or whatever. So no, I don't think we're having any kind of test. Unless this place on Friday is being pushed more, but it's not.
Just want to double check.
Students are finding the most interesting reasons to be out. Well, I got invited to do this bike race, okay, in Spain and France and like, so mini Tour de France. I'm running in nationals, Penn State relays.
That's a good excuse. I like that excuse.
Yeah, I'm like, go you. One kid was like, I have to go back and like wrap up the movie that we started. I'm like, okay.
oh,
Like for real,
oh.
for real. She was, yeah. Supposed to be someone else was like, I'm gonna be interviewed by CNN for the book that I wrote. I'm like, okay.
Where are your students?
Y'all are a diverse group. Yes, ma'am.
What's your guess? So we got.
Wait, number 9.
Go ahead.
Area number 9.
Which one you want?
Yeah.
Sorry, Peter.
You did the area for it too?
I haven't done the area yet. So do you have or not?
I mean, that's yeah.
It's not going to be. So if you're given 3 sides, you cannot do it. And I recommend with more Cosines, find the biggest table first.
Well, that's funny to ask her. One time when she was doing
So you need your cubes on this side, calculators to this side. Sure.
Yeah, but that's not usually. So,
101.
180 minus 25, so that's big. Right, that's not.
Get off your phone, bro.
I got 101.
What is the test?
Come back there.
So ready.
Still working on
Do you use, which one do you use in your seat?
Spring break is next.
What number?
Next.
I have a test next week.
Which one do you use in your
I have a test next week.
Yup.
We don't have any tests. No, on the test?
Oh, that's it.
No, I don't like saying so.
I changed it to
No, does it matter though? Like,
I don't think Mr. Real Estate's gonna give us any. What'd you get on that one?
I don't have that one.
The one we took last week.
What? Oh.
Oh,
No,
This,
you're
I got
fine.
27.
You only have to do.
Not math, I'm talking about computer science.
Oh, shit, don't look at
Okay, guys, can we do number 9 together? Okay. Strategy wise, I have a recommendation on, we don't have any angles, so we have to use log cosines to find an angle.
And you have to do some algebra.
What angle is the best one to choose? Am I not-
P.
Okay, N, P, Y, N, Y, P.
P the largest.
Okay, guys, do that. Find the largest angle in there. Why does he know the largest is that angle?
Why do we
Because it's
have
across
to
from the
find the
biggest side.
largest?
Okay, if we find the largest, law of cosines is you'll just get the right answer. Law of sines, it'll give you the smaller angle, and you need to check, does the bigger one work or is it the smaller one? But law of cosines gives you the right answer, no ambiguity. So find the biggest one first, and then all the others, you're not gonna have any issue with the law of sines. So, Isabel?
Actually, awesome.
I didn't do that.
And then did you get 30?
So the side on the other side of the equal sign is the side on the other side of the angle.
Or for N or whatever.
Oh, yeah.
But she's doing it weird or different.
Really?
She's using 22.
I like
Oh,
all
wait,
that.
so I didn't subtract.
But it's the same thing.
That's my fault.
Should be.
I did it wrong.
Okay,
They're just gonna get 96. Or did you do all signs yet?
Not bad at it.
Cosine P added.
and you guys need to be careful with parentheses in doing this. Parentheses. So parentheses 12 squared plus 17 squared minus 22 squared. Close the parentheses, divide by parentheses. 2 times 17
What?
times 12.
Across from 17. One side 7.
Let me do the area.
Cosine inverse of that answer.
Yep. Right off the road. I do the area.
So to find the area, do I need to find all the other angles? No.
No.
However, okay,
But it did ask us all the time.
it did. And people were asking area, so I want to answer that question. Area is half side times sine of the angle included. I don't care who's what letter. Angle C is the one I know. So I'm going to use that angle. Which two sides do I use?
12 and 17.
The ones that created the angle that I got.
A to P and N to P.
Area of the triangle equals half
What'd you have?
12 times 17.
I did 17 times 22.
It's fine. It'll be the same. As long as you use N.
But I think I got it. Let me just see.
If you use 33.
So the area is 101 point.
Yup.
Real?
Oh no. I got 101 too, but I got different decimals.
For some
101.847.
Yeah, that's what I got.
You can't even.
But she got different.
There's a sign.
That's what I got.
That's weird.
You got 101. I got 101.
There might be zero, and it's like, oh,
If it's like-
178,
Does that make a big difference?
Yeah.
If you get the 101, you're fine.
What's that, Scott?
Did you finish the ones on the
Did you
back?
guys not
No,
do
yeah.
97?
Which ones have
You
you
guys
done?
not do
Done 7, 9, and 8.
Did you do 97.181?
No, I just put it on
So I did.
This equation is
Hold on.
we'll just-
We now did differently.
Just let's go.
Yeah.
Did you just put the names
Genius.
If you're given two angles,
You got it?
there's only one angle. Together.
See, I got 101.847
They add
again.
to one
Yeah,
angle.
I don't know what happened.
Add to one angle.
Yeah, but some other people.
I'm just curious, like,
Like that guy.
So this is one angle, that one, right?
That's really weird, actually.
This is two, I think that's one.
Yeah. So I used my things, right? And I did 17, or 1/2 times 17 times 22,
And then you.
sine of 33. That's what that is, yeah. And I got 101.847.
So we were, what did I get?
101.2 something.
They should all work.
So did that count though? Cause you got a different decimal than you could do like.
That's fine. I mean, it's, I rounded a little bit to 97 degrees. around.
I got SETI. I mean SETI.
Guys, finish what you planned for homework, because that's the review for the quiz that's on Friday. Thanks, guys.